Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are well. Today we will be know how to make money from a website. Creating a website for your own brand or company is a great way to make money. We can help you do it in a few simple steps. Want to start making your own money and be your own boss? The pandemic has made it glaringly obvious that being able to make your own money is vitally important, and creating a website for your own brand or company is one of the most and best and potentially more effective way to doing so. But how can you make money from a website? Something seemingly incredible. There are lots of different ways to monetize website. However, we'll tell you the ones that actually work and the pros and cons of each. So viewers, 8 ways of making money from a website. In general, there are 8 main ways that websites make money. Number 1, selling products. Also called e-commerce, there is the best way to make money through a website, using it as a platform for your business to sell products or services. Number 2, displaying adverts. The classic way to make money online, but he warned that the golden days are over. Unless your site pulls in hundreds of thousands of visitors per month, the gains from hosting ads are very small these days. Number 3, hosting sponsored content. If your site is growing in prominence, you can make money by hosting articles or posts. A brand or business might have a brand or business might pay you, for example, to host an article recommending a product or service of theirs. And again, I said number 3, hosting sponsored content. If your site is growing in prominence, you can make money by hosting article or post. A brand or business might pay you, for example, to host an article recommending a product or service of theirs. Number 4, having a subscription or premium membership. Increasingly, even smaller websites and blogs are experimenting with premium membership. Loyal readers may pay to support a site that every day. Number 5, using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the fancy term for getting a kickback after sending users to other sites to buy products and services. Number 6, creating and selling websites, also known as flipping. We can make a surprising amount of money by buying a domain, developing a site, and selling it on. Number 7, dropshipping. This method involves allowing So viewers, I have already told you about dropshipping. Dropshipping. This method involves allowing customers to purchase products that you don't actually have in stock. You would then purchase the product from a third party and ship it directly to the customer. Number 8, promoting your business. While the website isn't the cash now, having a good site can help grow your brand or business quickly and easily. A successful website can, of course, make money from more than one of these avenues. However, not all of these methods of monetization are going to be the best choice for the every business. You'll need to find one or multiple methods or monetization that will suit your business aims and identify. It's important to ensure that aren't contradictory. For example, selling products on a site covered with adverts that will lead to other sites isn't a good plan. You can find out more about identifying and constructing a site based around core aims, identify your audience, understanding in your what makes a good website guide. And uh, how much money can you make from selling products? That's up to you and your business, depending on what you are selling, how many customers you have, and what your overhead costs are. You could make a substantial amount as long as you are reaching your customers in a meaningful way. Plus, e-commerce website builders offer low cost and little overhead, so you can keep most of your profits without ripping into your budget. It's worth nothing, and you need to more than just a website to make money. E-commerce websites really on traffic to make money, and generating traffic take care marketing and sales efforts that your business is hopefully already undertaking. And how much money can you make from online ads? Just to contain your expectation, and AdSense isn't particularly infinite unless you are using it at a large scale, at least hundreds of thousands of unique viewers per month. It's even trickier to monitor ads that these days, as so many people use ad blockers. Also, it will slow down your website loading speed, meaning that you might lose out on users coming to your site. And even if they are get there, that's might put of them. It's worth thinking long and hard about whether this is the right revenue stream for you. And how much money can you make from hosting a sponsored content? As we said, this all depends on the size of your audience and the amount of traffic you drive to your website. Simply put, the more people that are checking out your website on a daily basis, the more you will be able to charge per sponsored post and article. That being said, you get to set the price for this kind of advertising. If you believe in your website threats and authority and do not solely that for a few bucks, that's your prerogative. Still, setting a reasonable price is the best way to keep yourself competitive when it comes to making money. And at last, make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, as we mentioned above, is just a fancy term of sending users on to other sites to buy stuff while you get a kickback from the purchase. It used to be considered a somewhat what practice. Why search recommended products that where we divulge quality just to get more money? Although the practice has been cleaned up slightly and consumers have grown watchdogging reviews and recommendation to be clear to take. So we sometimes use affiliate marketing to help generate revenues ourselves. However, we will never recommend a product that we don't truly believe in, and you won't have to pay a cent more to get the product you're buying through one of our links. So viewers, we have already know how to make money from a website. I think all are understand well. So thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.